One of the things that I've learned about in the one-to-one work, the private client work that I do, is that it's interesting how the focus of determination will help us when we're actually looking for flow. Now, when you feel that state of flow, I believe that you feel a sense of intensity, that you feel a sense of, that you are connected. And there is this energy that feels dialed in and kind of even sort of intense. But why it feels relaxed to you is that you like it. It feels right. You're loose. You have flow. You can't find flow if you're not a little bit kind of out on the edge of your intensity, of your talent, if you're not stretching yourself. If the challenge isn't good enough, there's kind of no flow. And so there's got to be a little bit of this intense energy that's stretching you, and you got to like it. You got to love it. You got to enjoy it. There's your flow. So we'll talk about finding flow through thinking about being determined. I like thinking about being determined because it gets my thoughts going, gets my self-talk going in good directions. I like to think about, why does it matter to me right now to feel more determined to be this way, to feel more determined, to think the way that I'm going to think, to just simply feel a sense of determination around going after what I want to go after. Determination is like gratitude. Determination shuts off other styles of thinking. So for instance, if you're being truly grateful, you can't be worried at the same time, or else you're not being grateful. If you have full determination in your level of play, there's no time wasted on doubt or things that would distract you, things that kind of give you that yeah, but, or what if, mentality, which is not the mindset that we want, not if we're looking for flow. If we're looking for flow, we want to feel a sense of, I am determined to be the way that I plan to be, to show up the way that I plan to show up. And I will go after what I'm here to go after. And I'll feel a strong sense of determination about this. And I know that if I have that mindset, then there's a whole lot of other things that I'm not thinking. And here then would be my flow, my connection, my rhythm. Just me being me. Just me feeling what it feels like when I feel very determined to just be the best version of me, and nothing's going to talk me out of that. Now, what I love to layer in there, say for instance, I'm working with that one-to-one client, is just notice what you feel when you're determined, and love that you're working on bringing on that feeling. Love the feeling of determination. Feel a sense of enjoyment, towards that intensity that you're creating for yourself. Like, that's good stuff. Remember, if you're being fully determined, then there's a whole lot of other things that you're not being. And that's clean. That's good thinking. That's where you find the best version of you. That's often where you find your flow. Give it some thought.